ले चलते हैं बरह रास्त सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
It's amazing. Their credibility is down to 13%. The media credibility down to 13%. Think of it. We defeated their Navy. We defeated their Air Force. We defeated their anti-aircraft. We defeated their radar. We defeated their leaders. Their leaders are all dead. And now all we do is we'll open up the strait even though we don't use it, because we have a lot of other countries in the world that do use it that are either afraid or weak or cheap. I don't know what it is, but we were not helped by NATO, that I can tell you.
Have you read Iran listening to threats about reopening the Strait of Hormuz?
How do you know that? Why do you say that?
Are they reopening?
Why do you say that? You don't know anything. Who are you with?
NBC News, Philly Circuit. NBC.
Well, let's make
But
sense.
Mr. President.
Let me just tell you, we win, no matter what. We've defeated their military. They have no navy. 158 ships are underwater, undersea. All of their minesweepers and all of their, they call them mine droppers. Can you imagine? A country has 28 mine droppers. You think that's nice? With all of that being said, they're all defeated, by the way. They're all at the bottom of the sea. Now, with all of that, they have no navy. They have no radar. They have no air force. Their leaders are all dead. With Khomeini is gone. For many years he ruled. He's gone. With all of that, let's see what happens. But from my standpoint, I don't care. Well, if China does that, China should have big problems. Okay?
Mr. President, isn't that enough?
All right, सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि हम ईरान को जंग में शिकस्त दे चुके हैं। इस्लामाबाद में इस वक्त मुज़ाकरात जारी हैं। देखते हैं कि आगे क्या होता है। हम नेक नियति के साथ मुज़ाकरात में मौजूद हैं।